Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a smooth glide on Scratch without actually having to make an entire library of stuff. So first up, you're going to want to put a when green flag clicked forever loop. Now this is the weird thing, it's a glitch. You make it point towards your mouse pointer like this, which really when you do this, he's upside down. But then if you put this in there, see, it kind of like is a glide, but it's not really smooth, you know? Like, look, he does, what? Anyway, so we don't want that quite. So we want to fix that. What we want to do is go over here and take distance to mouse pointer. Go over to operations. Do you see this? It's like, it stands for division. It's just a line. So put distance to mouse pointer in the left one. And then in the right one, you can go from like 25 or 40. I'm going to do 25. Put it in this and suddenly look at this. That cat is a smooth glider. And only using this amount of code. Pretty crazy, huh? So if we click over to direction, we can actually click this, which makes it like it's not turning all around. Or we can do this, which makes it so that it's not turning at all. But yeah, you can do it at any amount. 5 is, yeah, literally just looks just really fast. But yeah, I think that's this Scratch tutorial done. Hope you learned something out of this. Took me a while to figure out. Bye!